So guys, papunta kami ng silid ngayon. Bigla ang plano lang to. Ay, hindi planado, biglaan pala.
Biglaan lamang.
Kasama namin tong bagong gupit na aso na to.
Marie!
Siya si Coffee Marie.
So guys, room tour. So ito yung room dito sa silid. So loft type siya. Very aesthetic. So yung bed is double bed. Ganon din sa taas. And ito yung CR nila. So may toilet, may shower, and mirror. So guys, magla-lunch na kami today. I'm with Sierra Madre. And Vulcang Taal. So hanap kami ng kakainan. So natulog lang kami. So we're on our way to... Saan tayo pupunta?
Ano daw? Masarap daw. Ihaw-ihaw. Dito lang tayo.
Saan yun?
Yun. Sa ihaw-ihaw. Chong's Chicken Inasal guys. Ito kami magdala. Kunyari vloggers tayo.
Tapos plus 30 pesos. So guys, only or hindi only. So yun guys, inihaw na leontoan. So, coffee!
So guys, nandito kami sa Chong's Chicken Inasal. So pag galing kayo sa silid, lalabas kayo ng highway, tapat siya ng The Iris at Cindy's Bakery. Ito yung makikita nyo dyan. Yan. Ito yung mga taba-ching-ching. Kumakain na sila.
So, here's our sisig. Ano meron sa sisig na yan?
Kalamansi. Ay, kayo sige pala. Only rice. Sa yung dalawa yan. Thank you po. May sili kayo? O, chili. Ay, walang sili. Thank you po. Ito yung chicken nila. Ang juicy.
Half the food. Then,
Yan po.
so guys, dito kami sa palengke ng San Felipe. Dahil bibili kami ng
Liampo, pusit, talapia.
para ulam mamayang gabi.
Mga ilang piraso kaya yan? Pati mga subukan natin.
Bilangin natin, sir.
Oo. Marami. Dami ba yan?
5. 10.
Parang... Ano ba ito? Parang tahong laltuin?
Opo.
Luya lang?
Iyaw.
Hindi, ito.
Oo nga, iyaw.
Hindi pwedeng parang tahong lang, yung tinola.
Pwede.
Tinola? So meron din tayong tilapia for dinner.
Wala pong ganun. Hindi balay. Ano bang sinabi mo?
So pagkatapos namin mamalengke, nandito kami sa Sestra for coffee. So aesthetic dito guys, coffee lang.
I was just a kid when I met you, honey. Working on my daydreams. Down bed wishing you'd come and save me. If only I'd have a time machine back then, I'd see us dancing in the kitchen night. No one thought we could ever make it.
So guys, andito kayo sa Goho.
So guys,
Unfortunately, it's closed and it will open by 6 p.m.
so we're here at
Gawa mo muna.
Kakakoko to try their ice cream. Actually, try na namin sila lahat. Dahil sarado sa Agoho. Coffee!
Guys, pause nyo na lang para sa menu.
Just a symptom you've forgotten. You slip me in your pocket, turn on the television now. Set me in the corner now. Technicolor's your bed, oh, won't you hear me out? You're painting on my features and everything you needed.
So guys, we're back at Silid. So, nag-aayos lang sila. Then pupunta kami sa dagat. Galing kami sa... Saan tayo galing, Hawks?
Sestra sa
Sa Sestra, sa Agoho na sarado, at sa Kakakoko. So, in a while, nasa beach na kami. So, naglalaro lang siya ng ML kahit di naman siya marunong. The beach is 3 to 5 minutes walk. So, ayun na siya guys. Kung nakita na siya. So guys, sinan nyo, dahil sa nakarang bagyo, umabot dito ang alon.
environmental.
Yes! Hanggang kalsada, sabi ni Ate Sarah.
I was just a kid when I met you, honey. Working on my daydreams. Down bed wishing you'd come and save me. If only I'd have a time machine back then. I'd see us dancing in the kitchen.
So, ayaw nila mag-swimming sa pool dahil mataas daw yung alon. So, balik kami sa Silid para mag-swimming sa pool.
I can be your third man dog. Just a symptom you've forgotten. You slip me in your pocket, turn on the television now. Set me in the corner now. Technicolor's your bed, oh, won't you hear me out? You're painting on my features and everything you needed. Don't put me on the shelf, no. I'd never find another. Don't ask me what my name means. I don't believe in that. Conversations one-sided, pull the strings and watch me come apart for you. I don't believe in that. Trouble speaking whenever you're around and tell me what you wanna do. I don't believe in that. More than pieces inside you, pull my strings and watch me come apart for you. I don't believe in that.
So, kakataas na namin mag-swimming. So, time for dinner.
Wow! Thank you po.
We have halaan,
It.
tilapia, sausaw na maanghang, and
Sino order tayo Shanghai?
on.
Let's eat. Sabi na ako ni Kakay.
Let's eat dinner.
Sige na. Sarap ba? Gawa natin karne ngayon.
Nasaan ang T? TGIF.
Greenwich.
Pizza Hut.
Yun na.
Yun na yun.
Minom ko na sa Tagay.
Sa lata.
Sa lata.
Saan lakot agad, grabe?
Kay mo ba yung Kai? Inubos mo na
Anong category?
Next
next category.
is something green.
Okay, okay.
Sama ko, sama.
We're playing tanga-tangahan. Chay.
Pakita mo yung category.
Our category is celebrities.
Okay.
Ako muna.
Go.
Sarah Geronimo.
Dance Padilla.
Christian Bautista.
Ann Cortez.
Kasi green. Tom Cruise.
Ellen Adarna.
Wes Cortez.
Ano yung V? Wala akong V eh.
Ito, View.
Vice, ganda.
Ano pa rusa? Kakain siya ng macarons. O sige.
Wala pa tayong parusa eh.
Ano mo na-practice mo na yan?
Ah, sige.
Ano gusto niyo?
Ano ba
Something-
pwede ba Taglish? Pwede Tagalog?
Oo.
Something round.
Something round. Ay, dahil ikaw ang ano, ikaw mauna.
Plate.
Orasan.
Egg.
Pizza.
Ay, may Pinoy.
Oh, napina.
Ano ba?
Oh, yan! Parusa!
Sandwich.
Wala na.
Macarons.
Marie.
Ay,
Ano naman eh, play.
Oh, ito. Fast food.
Go.
Ayan.
Oh, ito muna.
KFC.
Taco Bell.
Ay, pag ganun ang ikot,
O, go.
McDo.
Jollibee.
Wendy's.
TGIF.
Mayroon na eh. Napilit na eh.
Pinoy.
Sorry.
Papakainin ka ng grabes ng dako.
Go.
Mag-stop ka na.
Ano ba? Bakit di ka nakikisama?
Ay, yan.
Ito. Hindi natin alam yan eh.
Comedy. School subject.
Ito na lang, school
Opo.
subject. Ay, kaka
Hindi ako sali dyan.
Bakit?
Math.
First nga dapat eh. Go.
Science.
Aralin panlipunan.
English.
TLE.
Filipino.
Hekasi.
PE. Biology.
Geography.
Medyo na eh.
Wala pa.
Chemistry.
Jekasi.
Day 2. Good morning, coffee. Good morning. Tatlo, kuya.
Palo ko yan.
Ikaw, Kuya Archie, kita mo ya. Good morning. Good morning.
Sarap guys. Lala sa balis. Maraming mong bawat. Puro arnibal.
So, here's our breakfast. All tapa. And with my coffee. This Spanish latte. So guys, we're going home now. So packing our things. Yes? Alin ba?
Yung ano,
Ayoko na nun. Let's go! Bye!
wala ka eh.
Your baby, hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, about the love she gon' love you like summer 15.
our late lunch here at Subic. We're here at Texas Joe.
Sabi mo isang cold.
Parang bata yun. Kailangan